everyone, and welcome back. Well, I am very pleased to announce that this year I am the host of our very own 2018 Halloween Hop. This hop is an awesome collaboration between US, Canadian, and Australian crafters. It actually almost didn't even happen because, as most of you don't know, my phone actually got stolen out of my shopping cart at Michael's a couple of days ago. I know, crazy, right? But luckily for me, and as many of you already know, the ladies in the YouTube crafting community are just so amazing and so understanding. So they gave me a little bit of extra time and I am finally able to sit down. I did get my phone back, so I will do a story time for you guys later because it is a crazy story. But anyway, for now, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check the descriptions so you can hop on over to all of the other ladies' channels and check out what they made because I know I cannot wait to see. Don't forget to subscribe and let's hop into this project share. Okay guys, so for this hop we were asked to do 2 items. One of the items was a wand and the other item could be chosen by each lady, basically an item of her choice. So I chose a wand and a card because I know I love to make cards and they're very simple for me. And I actually chose the wands too, and I thought they would be a great idea and everyone agreed. So first I am going to show you my wand and show you guys what I used to create it, and I'm also going to explain a little bit about what a hop is, just for any of you who may be new to a YouTube hop. So anyway, here is my wand and I think it turned out so super cute and I'm so glad that the camera is focusing on it. So basically everything that I've been creating this Halloween, I have been using a Doodlebug theme, and this is the company and these are the 2 collections that I used. Pumpkin Party and Booville, and I love them both so much. And if you're one of my subscribers, then of course you've been bombarded with them all October and probably most of September too. But anyway, I just love them so much. They are so cute. So basically I just made a rosette for the center and then I just cut out a whole bunch of different circle dies. I attached them to the straw and then I just used some different trims. And I was just so excited. This ribbon I got from Michael's just matches so perfectly. So like I was saying, this adorable ghosty ribbon right here, which I absolutely love. It is just so adorable and kawaii. So I actually picked that up from Michael's. It was on sale when I bought it. I think like 30 or 40% off. But right now, all of the Halloween stuff is on clearance at Michael's. I actually just went today, and obviously because I've gone so crazy for Halloween, I didn't get too much, but I did definitely pick up a bunch of stuff, and I did get it all 80% off. So that is like awesome deals, you guys. So the other trims that I used this trim right here, which is Doodlebug twine. And that is the thin one that I used right here. Then I used some of this black Tim Holtz right here, and I absolutely love this trim. Honestly, I don't even know if you'd consider it an eyelash trim because the strands on it aren't very long, but it's just sparkly and just so pretty for Halloween. So I am going to be adding some of this as well, but as you can see, when they put trims on a cardboard like this, certain trims, it leaves like dents in it, right? And so I find that very annoying. So what I've done is I've just wrapped the amount of trim that I need around this spool of ribbon in hopes that it will take out the crinkles, and I think it might be working already. Yeah, I see some of them going away, so I'm just gonna keep that wrapped up. And yeah, anyway, those are the trims and ribbons that I used, and I think it looks super cute. So now I'm going to show you guys the dies that I used to create this wand, and it was actually super simple. I just did a layering, and oh my gosh, it turned out so nice. I would never have known. Like, usually I do stuff like this where I do like all different layers on everything, but like just all these matching layers, oh my goodness, so super cute. So anyway, for the rosette, the dies that I used were these Tim Holtz dies. I will put the links. I did get them on scrapbook.com, and you guys, I cannot recommend them enough. They are so amazing. This set actually comes with a snowflake die as well, and they are so easy to use. These rosettes only take one cut and it's done. So amazing. So I did create these other ones too, and they were just so quick to make. I also have some more that I'm going to be making that I may get a chance to share this Halloween. If not, I'll use them for something for next year. But these candy corn ones, I cannot wait to make. And then these ones right here with the Halloween colored sprinkles, they are going to be so cute. So basically this is what it cuts out, and then you just fold it into an accordion shape like this. And oh my goodness, you guys, the candy corns are so adorable. So other than the Tim Holtz rosette dies, as you guys can see, I did use some circle dies as well. Now, as you can see, I am in the process of making a few more ones. I haven't added like the stick or whatever you want to call it onto this one yet. For this one, I'm actually going to be using this awesome green pencil, which I think matches perfectly, and I will show you the different dies that I used for these because they are super cute, and the dies that I used for this as well. So basically for this wand right here, I used these Tonic Studio dies, and this is what they look like. Honestly, I really like them. At first, I thought I wasn't going to like them too much because they weren't stitched, but as you guys know, the stitched ones are much more expensive. Sorry about that glare. So I did get these ones. I thought, you know, at least they're scalloped. And you know what, guys? Even though they aren't stitched, I think they are super cute, and they do have a little bit of embossing around the edges. Some of you guys might be able to pick that up. So I thought that was super cute. And then for the very inner black circle, as you can see, I actually did use a stitch die. Well, I don't know if I'd really call that a stitched, but that is a die that I got off eBay, and I will show you guys that die set as well. And it is actually the die set that also came with this die right here. So I will show that to you guys. So this was a set that I ordered off eBay, and I think it came with 4 or 5 dies, and the main reason I got it was for this one right here. So that is what I used to make that shape, and the main reason I got it was for making wands. So it came with that one. It also came with these two, and then I think it came with some crazy little centerpiece too, but it wasn't a circle. It was like a flower, or not even a flower, like some totally different shape. So honestly, I don't know where it is, and I can't show it to you. But if you guys want the link for this set, it's really awesome. So I will see if I can look it up and put it in the description. If I don't, hit me up in the comments, and I got your back. Okay, so here is the last die set that I used to create this wand. Then we can move on to the cards. This is actually another set I got from eBay, and I absolutely love it. Once again, my main reason for getting this set was for wands, because I wanted my wand to have like an edge on it, like not an edge that was just round. However, I made a few wands, and this one with just the round scalloped edge ended up being my favorite. So I guess you just never know. But anyway, yeah, I did get this scalloped set on eBay, and I actually forgot that I ordered it. So when I ended up ordering this one, I was like, oh great, now I have 2 scallop sets coming. But as you can see, they are both totally different, and they actually go absolutely perfect together. So I am so happy that I got them. I think this set was around $4 or $5 Canadian, so that would be somewhere like between $3 and $4 US. Really good deal if you ask me, so I will add the link for that in the description as well. So now we are going to move on to the card, and it is so adorable, and I absolutely love it. It was actually pretty simple to make, and you could actually make something like this yourself without any special tools at all, and just scissors, glue, and this 6x6 Doodlebug paper pad. I will give you guys the SKU, or whatever the heck it's called, the scanner code thingy down there, because they do sell Doodlebug on Amazon, and I will also give you guys the link for scrapbook.com. So as you can see, I just layered this cutout paper here onto some I just cut out these rectangles with the scalloped stitched die, and I am obsessed with them. This is also a set from eBay, and I think it comes with 6 dies, and I think this is the largest. And once again, I love this set. If you look closely, you can see all the little stitching marks. I just thought all the colors went together so perfectly, and I am just obsessed with those little candy corns. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but they actually all have tiny little kawaii faces, and they just melt my heart. So as I've said in past videos, one of the reasons that I really love Doodlebug is because their 6x6 and their 12x12 packs all come with not only cutouts, but sentiments as well, which again totally eliminates the need for stamping or the need to buy separate sentiment packs, letter stickers, everything like that, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, they match totally perfectly. So that was one thing I was a little bit disappointed, because for some reason, this year's Halloween collection does not come with a sentiment page, which, yeah, was kind of disappointing. But luckily, I had extras of last year's, and they all matched together. So for this card, I did use one of the sentiments from the 6x6 collection, and then one of the sentiments from the This and That cardstock sheet. I also used a few of the Doodlebug Halloween assortment glitter sprinkles, and I think that it turned out totally super cute. Okay guys, so that is it for my 2018 Halloween Hop project share. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If I forgot to mention, this adorable little ghosty right here is one of the Doodle Pops, and I love them so much. So just in case you're wondering, that is where he is from. Please don't forget that this is a hop, and the purpose of a hop is to hop from channel to channel. We made sure to make this a small hop, not a large hop, and the ladies involved in the hop are all some of my best YouTube friends. Links to their channels and hop videos can be found down in the description below. And I don't know about you, but I can't wait to see what they've created. So don't forget to drop a like, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.